Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So in this episode I will show you the new AIMogeN'S feature, which is linked in this video description. You will find it be able to rename also media files from your media library. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, you will need to go to the media library. After you update the plugin to the latest version, click on a media item and click here on the AI generated SEO fields button. So in the latest update you will find here new entries and new settings. So first of all, to rename the files you will need to create also an SEO title for them. So select AI writer target title text and AI prompt, write a SEO friendly title. You should also add here reply only with what you are asked. This is required to not make the AI reply with text that, hey, sure, okay, here's the required SEO title, but instead it should reply only with the title. Okay, now to rewrite also the name of the files, of the media files, click on automatically rename image file based on title and set it to on. So this is important. And afterwards we can click generate text and the text appears here. And now we can enable vision also to better understand, to make the AI understand also the image. So we enabled vision and we can generate text again. So the text will match the image actually. So we enabled vision. Military training exercise, building teamwork and resilience in the field. Okay, and automatically rename images file based on title on. And all we have to do now is click save. Update successful. Now we can go to media and here it is. The file is also updated with the title. So we have a SEO title for this image and we got also the file name updated accordingly. Okay, so you can also do this in bulk, and let me show you how to do this in bulk for each and every media item that you select. So first of all, go to similar AI generated SEO fields, configure the plugin as I showed you before. Return only what you are asked. Okay, we don't have templates, and enable vision, so the AI loads the image and understands it. Enable automatically renaming of images, and we will be good with these settings. All we have to do now is save new template and add a name to the template and click OK. And now if we go back to media, we will see here run template rename, and we will be able to actually select the files that we wish to rename and click here apply. And after a short processing, we will see advanced flight simulator facility, stylish indoor plant decor, and also the file names are changed. Okay, so this is the latest update of AIMogeN'S. Let me know if you have more ideas, suggestions. Link in this video's description. Leave in comments and like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. If you have more ideas, always welcome. Thanks for watching. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.